came in with all these things now. He went to the supermarket. If you watched the previous vlog, the vlog before this one, I'm sure you would have seen it. So I'm just going to unpack. Mommy, do you want to help me? Are you sure? Abi, you want to scatter? Yeah, let's unpack them, okay? Let me even close this thing so you guys can hear me, because they are walking there and there's noise everywhere. My lord, is this the same apple you bought the last time? Or the same apple they have? Okay. Because that one was very sweet. Like, oh, that apple was so sweet. So this is apple.
Mommy, put it here.
Burger breads. We bought 2. Oh, 3 actually. And then we bought the long one for hot dogs. And then
Mommy, put it here.
what is this thing called again? Granolas, bread. Although this is not the only bread he bought, he dropped some in the garage. Brioches for the kids. He bought more bread. My kids love this bread, so he bought for them yogurts. And what is this? What is this? I don't know what this one is. I'll ask him when he comes. He bought mayonnaise, ketchup. I didn't ask him to buy this, but he felt like buying it, and that's a good idea. Then he bought my ginger and lemon tea. Bless him, what are you showing me? He also bought honey. That's it for this bag. And then this one, more brioches. He bought eggs. These are all eggs.
Hi.
Fresh spinach, iceberg lettuce, bananas, and hey, what is this thing called again? Peach. Is it peach?
Yeah.
I guess peach. I think it's peach. Yeah. Or pesca. They call it pesca here. Mommy, what are you doing? This is prosciutto. There's this burger recipe I shared on my Facebook page, and I was asked to share the recipe. So I told hubby to buy more of the bread so I can repeat what I did that day and share it there. So if you are not following me on Facebook, please do me well to go follow me over there. My Facebook page name is aghaziefavour Official. So you can see the recipe once I share it there. Because I'll be posting more of my cookings, like recipe videos over there. And we have fresh tomatoes. Keep this one here. We have cucumbers. And then more of the prosciutto. And finally, burger meat. This one is already fried. So that's it for this, and that's all we have here. Now it's time to put them away. Don't deal. Oh yeah. Fast forward.
The yogurt. Be fast. Spread Oreo.
No, it's honey, mommy. Honey.
bless you. Toys. I like banana.
You like banana? I would even like to have one apple because these apples are very sweet. So, you want banana? You and banana. Oh, take. Sorry.
It's okay.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yum. And it's so crunchy. Oh my days. Very sweet. I love it. See guys, the other microwave has spoiled, so hubby went down to bring up the old one. Thank God we still kept it in our garage. If not, no, you have to close it now. Close and press. That's when it will work. Yeah, this one this one is faulty, but it's still manageable.
Daddy, I don't know how to use it.
But yeah, it's true. It's true. She said she doesn't know how to use it.
This one is a minuto quando press start.
Don't worry, we'll show you. Even me self, I don't even know if I can still remember.
I don't really like it's like.
My Lord, have you seen your life? I told you don't buy that chihuahua you bought then. You went and bought it. Now look at it. You've brought back this one. What should we do to men? Our men know they hear word.
Buy it. Wouldn't it have spoiled for a long time?
I don't think so. This thing has been, you've been living with this particular one before I even came to Italy. So I believe that this one is very strong. I hope the inside is clean because me, I'm not ready to clean anything. But I missed you though. I missed you though. And then we were using one kettle like that, but it has silver color and it goes with this one. Now with the white one that hubby took downstairs, the color goes with this one, like black and white like this. Now wow. Now wow, now wow. Anyways, it's still looking nice though. Shebi, I told you not to buy that one. You went and bought it. Now look, see your life.
After enjoying it, now you know you don't like it again.
I never liked it too, right from day one, but I just had to, you know, succumb because you liked it.
Yeah.
This is what
See, that delicious and yummy soup I made today, although it's in the other vlog, the previous vlog before this one. These children said they don't want to eat swallow, they want what is that thing again? Yogurt and brioche. See them. You don't want to eat real food.
But why you didn't pray?
Favor, you didn't pray.
I prayed.
You prayed. So, Auntie Blessing, how did you know that she didn't pray?
Because
I prayed.
You prayed. Good for you. Oh, bon appetito. Hubby is about to leave for work. That man, you know the rest. Since morning, he has been running helter-skelter. Now he's leaving for work. Did you forget something, my lord? Okay, he couldn't carry the milk. I told you, you said it's not heavy.
We I think we can support before, but here.
Bye bye. Have a nice day at work. I've said it before, but I'm just repeating it again. My lord, they are not supposed to be doing. You have done a lot and enough for today, please. When Favour finish, she will come and arrange those things.
When Favour finish. Favour, when you finish, you come. I didn't take anything off.
Wait, oh.
I didn't
You were
take
even.
anything.
And I'm here fighting for him. Look at, see now, see the people I'm doing stuff with. I didn't know he was trying to take for his work. Hey! Hello guys, good afternoon. As usual, I'm doing school runs, but this time around it's just here. I just went downstairs. Oh, sorry, Bobo. Sorry. I just went to pick Caleb from his school bus. That's the building they are renovating. You see that? Yeah. They are the people that have been disturbing us for days with noise. Papa, how was school today? Fine. Sorry, oh. I just hit him with my elbow. I was actually in the bed trying to sleep, and then my alarm rang. I'm filming 2 videos today, 2 vlogs actually. I ended one in the morning and then I started another one, which is this one you are watching now. So you will see me wearing the same top.